Hello viewer, in this video I am telling about the Galaxy S24 Ultra is just around the corner and today we have 5 updates to share. Number 1. First hand on look. We got our first hand on look at the S24 Ultra, revealing its design mainly from the back. S24 has produced a series of partial shoots claiming to feature the actual S24 Ultra. These images include comparison with the S23 Ultra and the S2022 Ultra, showcasing a display that is much flatter with the significantly reduced bottom bezel. The fact that our bezels are not uniform makes the S24 Ultra visually more appealing than the previous Ultra phone. Number 2. Official marketing image. Even Bezel has shared official marketing image of S24 Ultra as well as the S24 Plus. However, because Samsung usually copyright strike this image, he blurred them. The hero color of S24 Ultra is going to titanium and green for the S24 Plus. Number 3. RAM and storage variant. Contrary to rumor, Samsung will not offer a 16GB RAM variant of S24 Ultra. It will still have 12GB RAM, ruling out the speculating 2TB storage variant. On a positive note, the S24 Plus now comes in a 12GB RAM variant, while the regular S24 will maintain 8GB RAM, which is unfortunate. Number 4. AI feature expand image. An actual image from the S24 Ultra image gallery showcases an AI feature called expand image, which is the name suggests expand an image to give more context around the subject. Number 5. New RAM for generative AI. Speaking of AI, Samsung has officially unveiled a new type of RAM for generative AI for mobile devices, hinting at this potential integration into the S24 lineup. The advantage of this RAM over the controversial RAM we have on our current phones is that it has very low latency, which is the game changer for AI as well as gaming. Interestingly, this RAM will not replace the traditional RAM but instead will context with it, sitting right next to the CPU, so it will only be used for AI and gaming or any other task that required low latency. Sales figure. The S23 lineup has proven to be massive success, surprising the S2020 series by 23%. With the 25 million units sold in 9 months, the S23 Ultra leads with the 11.6 million units, followed by the S23 at the almost 9 million and the S23 Plus at the 5.4 million. Interestingly, the S24 lineup is expected to perform even better than the S23 lineup, which will be incredibly if Samsung pull it off. The sale of the S series have been on the decline in the last few years, but it's good to know the trend is reversing. Do subscribe for all the latest updates and I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.